Yo, all right, another session of therapy talk. I went to therapy yesterday, the normal one, EMDR, and then I went to a new one, Biomagnetism therapy, where they put some magnets on your body. It was pretty interesting. It's not talk therapy, but it's essentially a nervous system reset. So I was curious, and I'll probably try it a few more times. Yeah, again. And then I'll try different modalities of it. And just kind of talking through stuff that come up. I just went on my 6-mile run today this morning. That's why I'm very sweaty. And, something came up. So I saw someone that knows my brother. And they were like, hey, you look just like your brother. And my family said this to me too. Some family that came to visit me. And I have to say, I don't look like my brother. My brother looks like me. That guy is lucky to be compared to me. And even his own girl's family said to me once, you are nothing like your brother. And that's exactly right. So he's lucky to be compared to me. I don't look like him, he looks like me. There's no similarities between us at all. I'm not 39 years old playing Call of Duty and being broke and having my girl or my wife work the same job that I work. And I sit my ass on a couch and just play Call of Duty for 4 hours. And some guy was like, oh shit, I don't know how you did it, how you made it, so young or whatever. And I was like, yeah, motherfucker, I never played Call of Duty for 4 hours when I was broke. I didn't have time for Call of Duty. I haven't played video games in like 20 years. That's the difference between me and them. You think I have time to play video games and I'm broke and I can't even afford to do shit? That's the problem with him and these people. They think you can just live a normal, comfortable life and overcome your poverty. It doesn't work like that. So anyway, we're nothing alike at all. There's not one. The only similarities we have is we have the same parents who both weren't there for us. Only similarity whatsoever. There's nothing beyond that we have in common. So yeah, there's no comparison there. So don't compare us. Don't say I look like him. He looks like me. And he's actually lucky to look like me because people will be like, hey, you must be something like Kevin. No, but he's not. At all. He's a slave right now. He's a slave working 2 jobs in the Matrix America. Okay, so what's the similarity there? And I know I have conversations with some other people and they say stuff, we start talking about Jesus, and they'll be like, people that are Jewish, and they'll be like, oh, nah, we don't believe that. We don't believe Jesus is the Messiah. We don't believe he's the chosen one. But you could believe that if it helps you out, that's cool. That works for you, if it floats your boat. And you know what I think as well? I think the Jewish aren't the chosen people. I think, in fact, I don't think you guys are anything. But if you want to believe that you can believe that too. So people believe whatever they want to believe. You believe you're the chosen people, the favorite people of the Old Testament. That's fine. I could believe that the Old Testament, the God of the Old Testament is the devil, Satan, and you are deceived. And your God is money. And your God is thinking that you're better than everyone else because you were chosen for what? And then when I bring up, oh, did you know the Rothschilds named that place Israel in 1948 when they took it from the Palestinians because they funded England to beat the Ottoman out of Palestine and give it to the Zionist Jews, the Rothschilds and his people? They just say, oh yeah, okay, I don't know. It's just ignorance. You guys don't believe in Jesus Christ, but you believe that out of all the people on the earth, that you were picked out and you were like, okay, these people are the special ones. You guys are chosen. Everyone else is goyim. They ain't shit. They're at the level of animals. But you say, oh, if Jesus floats your boat, that's cool. If it works for you. Well, what works for anyone works for anybody. So we're in the same boat. You ain't shit.